Hello students, here I will show you how to do example 10.11 and 10.12. So here, in the game, 2 adults and 3 children are selected from 6 adults and 7 children to queue up in a row. How many possible arrangements are there if the 2 adults must stand together at one end and the children at the other end? So first of all, we understand the questions is we need to pick 2 adults from 6 and 3 students from 7. So finally, we need to pick 5, right? Then we just try to imagine we have 5 spaces here. And these 2 need to be adults. Okay, and these 3 need to be children. So now, okay, what will be this space? Okay, how many choices? We have total 6 adults, right? So here will be 6 choices. And then after 1 is picked, then we have 5. So here, for the children, we have 7 children here. And then so we have 7, and then 6, and then 5. So this is, okay, if you multiply them together, then you have, okay, the total arrangement, right? Okay, but actually, there are another situation we also satisfy these questions. Okay, you can still have 5 spaces, but this time you have the left hand side is children, while the right hand side is adults. Okay, so similarly you will get 7, 6, 5 for the children and 6, 5 for the adults. Then you can imagine actually these 2 are the same, the total number is the same, so you can get the final answer. Okay, the required number of arrangements will be 7 times 5 times 7 times 6 times 5. Okay, because these 2 situations is the same, so you can simply multiply by 2. Okay, so finally we get this answer. Let's go to the next one. Okay, here we get 7 different animals, include 3 different birds. So we find the birds. Okay, here are the 3 birds, and the other are not birds. Okay, so now the question is how many possible arrangements if the birds must be placed together. Okay, but no matter the which is the first one. Okay, but the birds need to be placed together. So here we have a very important and special skills. Okay, we try to think there are some boxes. Okay, and for the box, okay, one of the box is you put 3 birds, okay, inside. Okay, and then the others, okay, are here. So this 4 refer, the right hand side refer to this, okay, 4 animals. Okay, we will refer to this 4. Okay, so now, okay, we now first of all we arrange the boxes. Okay, we arrange the boxes first. So now you can, okay, see that there are 5 boxes, right? Okay, then which boxes, okay, put in the first one. Okay, how many choices there? We get 5, right? Same as what we did before. Okay, and then 4 here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is for arranging the boxes. Okay, then is the answer just simply multiply this 5? Okay. And imagine actually we also need to consider the birds, right? Okay, for the birds, actually there are 3 of them, right? So actually, for the first one, we can put any one of them, right? So there's 3 choices for the first one, and 2 and 1. And this is actually for the arrangement of birds. So we also need to consider this one. Okay, so actually the answer will be you multiply, okay, the number of choices of the boxes, which is 5 factorial, and then you also need to consider the arrangement of the birds itself, themselves. So we get this, multiply together. So finally the answer is 720. Okay, so now please do quick practice 10.11 to 10.12. Okay, I will show you the answer in another video. So make sure you try to do some practice, as there are very important skills you need to learn in the coming lesson and also the next lesson. Okay, I will show you more and more examples later.